Hello, ladies and gentlemen. How are you today? My name is John Bear, coming right at you. If you are new, welcome. This is my podcast. Ladies and gentlemen, today is a wondrous day. Today it is beautiful out. Let me show you. Look at this. Look, beautiful day. Anyhow, how are you, ladies and gentlemen? I am a new PewDiePie. I am me. I have the power. Yeah. So guys, you guys should like subscribe and do this other
Do
stuff.
not go up
But
anywhere,
yeah.
Jordan. You hear me?
Yes, I do hear you. I'm trying to make a video here. Good day, madam. Where are you going, ma'am?
Going to lay down before my head falls off.
Going to lay down before her head falls off. Indeed. So, anyways, my dear friends, give me some comments, suggestions, tell me what to do, and I'll do it. Nah, I'm saying? No inappropriate shit though. Okay? Fucking normal guys. Be fucked up. Don't be a weirdo, you know what I'm saying, man? Fucking habits out there. Something like that. As long as you're not doing that, you're okay. What people look big? Yeah, that's pretty big. Ha! Ah! Indeed. So,
Jordan, shut up.
I will not shut up, mother.
Please, so I can
Okay, yeah, I'll shut up so you can later. But anyways, guys, subscribe. Oh, wait, no, no, subscribe, like me, share me, all this sort of shit. I mean, I'll either have an arrow pepper or something like that, because I gotta have an arrow pepper, guys. I'll do whatever. So, just subscribe. Did I go one right? I'm Pixie Six Sexy Bitch. Just let you guys know. That's me. I'm Pixie Six. I may do another cut video, sure. Still got the mask. Just give me some suggestions. Thanks guys, bye.